H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
So I'll click here on the change template and we will change it to the Scrum here. So I will select the Scrum in the list. I'll show it once more. So we have to select this change template and then click on the Scrum. Step 5. You need to click here. Take the screenshot, everyone. Step number 5. Now I'll select the Scrum here. And then do you see we have this use template. Click on this use template. We have selected the Scrum and then you click on the use template. You can take the screenshot of this also. So I'll click here on the use template. And then do you see you get two options here, team managed project and company managed project. So we will go for the team managed because this is a free version. So this is step 7. Everybody's done. So I'll click here, the team managed project. Now, do you see here? The template is Scrum and then it is a team managed project. So here it is asking us to enter the name of the project. So I will enter Verizon Wireless and it will automatically take the key. This is step number 8. Enter the name and then enter the key. Okay, enter the name and enter the key. So this is step number 8. Take the screenshot of this as well. Yes, you can give any name. Okay, you can give any name. So this is step 8. Now we are done with all this and then we will click on the create button. Here you can click on this create project button. After you have entered all the details, click on the create project. So I'll click here on the create project button. This is step number 8. Let's wait for it to create. This is your step 9. You can click on the skip button. There is no need to choose anything as of now. Simply click on the next button. You can note down this also. Now I'll click on the skip button. Now if you want to invite anybody from your team, okay, now let's say you have your IT team in the real-time project, so you can invite your other testers in the team, you can invite the developers, test leaders, project managers if required, even the business analyst. So you can invite them by entering their email address. As of now, I'll just click on the done button and I will proceed. I will not enter anything. Okay, I will click on the done button and then I'll proceed. So this is the last step. You can take the screenshot of this as well. Everybody's done. So I'll click on the done button and it will open the Jira dashboard for us from where we can start our activities. Okay. So here you can see we have the roadmap and then we have the backlog and then we have the board. Okay. So we have the three components over here. Okay, three sections, and we will be exploring these three sections. It is not as complex as Quality Center. Actually, it's a very simple tool. So do you see here we have only three modules that are available in this dashboard which we are going to use. Okay, so how to use them I will show you. Now what you do is I'll give you few minutes. What you do is all the 10 steps that I just now showed, you do all the 10 steps on your computer and then get to the screen. From here, how to start using the Jira, I will tell you. Okay. If anybody is facing any problem while you're doing this step, let me know on the chat box. Fine. Okay, everybody please try the steps on your computer now.